Some users have reported that the keyboard colors created by Keys Cafe didn't apply. Let me show you what they meant. Let's open Good Lock in the Theme Park module, followed by the keyboard category. This is the customized keyboard that I have created using Keys Cafe. You can see the key color is dark green here. Now I am applying it via Theme Park. And let's check out the keyboard appearance. You see, the key color isn't similar. The keys here are white instead of green. Let's double check the keyboard that I have customized. Yes, the keys are confirmed green in color, so you guys get an idea of what the problem is. I was told there is a conflict between the color palette function and Keys Cafe. You can temporarily bypass this issue by turning off the color palette option until Samsung fixes it. Go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style. Let me turn the color palette off and check what happens after that. Now, the color palette function is off. Let's open the keyboard. Yes, the keyboard color is the same as what I have created. So if you face a similar issue, go turn off color palette. That's it for this video. I hope it helps. I will see you in the next one.